Governor Scott Walker is trying to regain momentum in the race for 2016. He's laying out a plan to repeal the Affordable Care Act, trying to get out ahead of the others in the race for the GOP nomination. Political reporter Jessica Arp has the latest from Minnesota.
In his first major policy address since announcing a run for president, he laid out in Minnesota how he would reform health care in America.
On my very first day as President of the United States, I will send legislation to the Congress to once and for all repeal Obamacare entirely.
The governor walked a crowd at cast screw machine products through his Day One Patient Freedom Plan, which would offer tax credits based on age, not income, to those without employer-provided insurance, send much of the Medicaid program back to the states, and allow insurance to be purchased across state lines.
You're going to see health care premiums go down for everyone, including people who get it at places like this, that get it through their employer, like the employees here at Cass do.
That area back there, we do a lot of our own maintenance on these machines.
Cass Screw's president and CEO Steve Wise says the cost of that insurance they offer went up 35% this year. And while he believes something needs to be done about Affordable Care Act costs, he's not totally sold on a full repeal of the law.
Certainly, I think it is the law of the land at this point. And dismantling it would probably make most of our healthcare providers think they've been hijacked. But at the same time, if there's another plan that can be slid in, there are portions of the Affordable Care Act that make perfect sense.
The governor is making the case that the only way to pay for the measure is a full repeal and claims it's cost neutral, while other GOP candidates are claiming the cost could top $400 million. Walker says his plan is a pragmatic alternative.
I may not be the flashiest of the folks. I may not have the pizzazz of people on the east or the west coast, but I hope you see, not just here in Minnesota, but across America, I think like you think. My family lives like your family does.
The governor will head from here to New Hampshire for a 3-day swing through the Granite State, where he tries to turn around dropping poll numbers in early voting states. In Brooklyn Center, Minnesota, Jessica Arp, WISC News 3.